Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can mute a community on Reddit. So let's get started. Firstly, open Reddit app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, find the community which you want to mute. Then tap on the community. Next, tap on three dots icon. Next, you can see the option of mute. Tap on it. Next, tap on yes, mute. So, this is how you can mute a community on Reddit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.